Welcome to CS 120, Programming 1, presented by the Computer Science and Engineering Department at Jubail Industrial College. In this video, we will cover what a programming language is and why we use Java. We will also look at the history of Java, how it runs, and the Java virtual machine. Finally, we will examine computer language levels, Java programs organization, and the process of compiling and running a program. A programming language is used to write programs. It uses a set of rules for constructing valid statements, possessing both syntax and semantics. There are various types of languages, such as functional and object-oriented programming, or OOP. We will focus on the Java programming language. Java was developed by James Gosling at Sun Microsystems and first released in 1995. Its syntax is similar to C and C++, but features a simpler object model and fewer low-level facilities. Java is one of the world's most popular languages, according to Spectrum's 2024 ranking. Java is popular due to its simplicity, conciseness, and object-oriented nature, which leads to better quality code. It is also portable, architecture-neutral, and secure, making it appropriate for internet applications. Computer languages are categorized into 3 levels. High-level language is one people can read and write. A program in this language must be translated into a computer-understandable form before running. Machine language is what a computer understands. Low-level language is machine language, or similar to it. Most compilers translate high-level programs directly into a specific computer's machine language, requiring a different compiler for each. Java, however, compiles programs into bytecode, the machine language for the fictitious Java virtual machine, or JVM. This makes compiled Java programs highly portable. When a Java program executes, an interpreter translates the Java bytecode into the machine language for the specific computer, executing each instruction immediately. This translation of bytecode is relatively easier than the initial compilation. Java is an object-oriented programming language. The fundamental building block is a class, which encapsulates data, or attributes, and operations on this data, known as methods. Classes allow for the creation of objects as their instances. A Java program consists of one or more classes. Each class contains one or more methods, and each method is made up of one or more statements. Every Java application requires a main method, public static void main, which the interpreter calls to start the application's execution. Public means any object can call the method. Static means the method is shared by all instances. Void means it returns no value. The main method accepts an array of strings as a single argument for command line parameters. A Java program can span one or more files, all with the .java extension. The driver class contains the main method, and its name must match the Java file name, as Java is case sensitive. Program execution begins from the main method of the driver class. Syntax refers to the legal arrangement of words and punctuation in a language. Semantics is the meaning derived from statements written following the syntax rules. Here is an example of a simple Java program that displays a message using the system.out.println instruction within the main method of the class myFirstProgram. The program includes the class name, the main method, the class body, and the instruction itself. In the Java program, curly braces define blocks of code, parentheses are used for method parameters, and square brackets are used for array types. The process of compiling and running a program involves several steps. Type the code, save the program with the class name and .java extension, compile it to produce a .class file or Java bytecode, run the program, and finally, observe the result for any necessary adjustments. Code is a program or a part of one. Source code is the program written in a high-level language like Java, which is the compiler's input. Object code is the translated low-level program, such as Java bytecode, the compiler's output, and the input for the Java bytecode interpreter. Java programs are composed of classes, often in separate, compiled files. A class loader is the program that connects the bytecode of the required classes to run a Java program. In other languages, this is called a linker. Each class definition must reside in a source file named after the class, followed by a .java extension. Compilation produces an object file with a .class extension, containing the bytecode program. A bug is a mistake in a program, and debugging is the process of eliminating these mistakes. There are 3 types of errors. A syntax error is a grammatical mistake detected by the compiler. A runtime error is only detected during execution. A logic error is a mistake in the program's algorithm, which neither the compiler nor execution can detect, resulting in incorrect program behavior. An identifier names a variable, class, method, or object. A Java identifier cannot start with a digit and must consist only of letters, digits, or the underscore symbol. Java is case-sensitive, meaning rate, and rate are distinct identifiers. Keywords are identifiers with predefined meanings in Java, such as public, class, void, and static, and should not be used for naming other items. Predefined identifiers like system, string, and println are defined in required libraries and should ideally not be redefined. This concludes our video. Thank you for watching.